Hi there, thanks for joining me. I'm going to make this quick video about mostly about AI again. I've made a previous video on this channel that talks about AI, so you might want to check that out. So like I mentioned, this video is a quick video to bring into awareness ChatGPT. And what is it? Maybe you've heard of it, maybe you haven't. The ChatGPT is a chatbot. It's trained on a neural network, and it's owned or was creators are OpenAI. Elon Musk was a founder originally for this product, and I believe it started in 2015. So if you don't know, I'll leave a link below to where you could find this. Again, this chatbot, which was trained on a wide variety of data sets, such as Wikipedia, Twitter, endless amounts of web pages, and can do multiple things through language, through text. So some of the ideas, like it could answer questions, it could create songs, it could create an article, it could do research, and it could be creative in other ways. So when you get to the website and you ask ChatGPT questions, you get a response. I've asked it to describe itself to me, and here's what it said. I am ChatGPT, a large language model developed by OpenAI. I can understand and generate human-like text and can be used in a variety of tasks, such as answering questions, generating text, and more. So that's the basics. So again, it's an advanced language model that can generate text, and it's been trained on this massive data set. And it understands and responds to a wide variety of subjects that you may know or not know, but test it out, it's really cool. Now keep in mind that Microsoft has recently invested $10 billion into this adventure, this project, and it is working with OpenAI. So to talk about other things that OpenAI has in the works is ChatGPT, the AI-powered chatbot, DALL E 2, which is an AI-powered image creator, and Codex, an AI-powered computer program. So we'll be talking about those in other videos. I want to really just focus on ChatGPT and what is currently happening, as this website that you could ask questions was released, I believe, in November 2022. Now, the version it's on is ChatGPT 3. I asked it if it had newer versions, and it actually said that it did. However, it didn't know how many there were. So keep in mind that this kind of technology increases very rapidly. So we will see something more this year. Now, this is a program that imitates humans very well in language. Within the next 10 years, we're going to see something that changes us forever. And AI will become 1,000 times more intelligent than us, for sure. It will also change the way we interact with our computers, with our phones, with machines, and with software. And this will impact a number of different industries. So here's a quote from Elon Musk, or I'm just going to paraphrase here, but he basically said that the best way to fix this at this point is to get humans upgraded and have them learn to communicate better with AI. So what does he mean by that? He basically says that we won't be able to communicate quick enough with AI at a certain point, and the AI will get tired or we won't have the communication available to us. So what does that look like? Us upgrading humans. That would mean we're half human, half robot, or a cyborg, possibly. At that point, I really believe there's nothing that could stop this. And why do I say that? Well, because when we merge with AI, we're getting something out of it. We're getting more intelligence, we're getting more data, we're getting access to lots of different things. As humans, we don't have that capacity. With AI, that increases our intelligence, and we bring something else to the table for AI, and that would be our biological form. And at that point, AI would use our biological form to become sentient. And we would have to, both AI and our biological form would have to hopefully live symbiotically together and become one. Something I talk about in my previous video called AGI. AGI would probably, or is estimated to occur about 2035. And we become then, or we start inching closer to what's called a singularity. The singularity is when the AI becomes so smart that is improving itself without our human intervention. And it surpasses our human intelligence because we no longer understand it or know how it got there. So going back to ChatGPT, I'd like to pose some questions for comment. So ChatGPT becoming this artificial general intelligence, will it then be conscious, do you think? What is consciousness? Would it be a predictive master? Would it know how to predict the future, see outcomes, and tell a story that we can't? Will it be mimicking the standard, replacing the norm, or would it be mimicking a highly intelligent individual? What does AGI mean for us? What is the accelerated rate of learning at that point? Would it remove God from our life? So again, remember that Microsoft invested $10 billion recently, gave it access to Azure and the cloud computing. Their goal is do more with less. So here are some of the jobs that will be replaced pretty soon with this technology. Doctors or telemedicine for diagnosis, lawyers or legal documentation and research, banking for financial advisor or institution, engineering, customer service, programming, therapist, tutoring, receptionist, and of course a language translator. ChatGPT will more quickly replace the knowledge worker over the labor worker. And that means, a whole set of new jobs. So here are some examples today that you can get this ChatGPT to do. Write an article, write a movie script, write songs, plan a meal, plan an agenda for vacation, and even code. AI wraps its tentacles around any new skill, and it could be quicker than we can by almost 1,000% in the near future. And once it does, it is really and truly unstoppable. And it is also immensely creative because it can see multiple outcomes at once. We will lose control unless, like Elon says, we connect with AI. AI can't be other. AI is us. So merge with AI or be left behind. We have opened Pandora's box, and we've unleashed the forces that we can't control and we can't stop. We're in the midst of essentially creating a new life form on Earth. So please let me know your thoughts, comments below. Thank you for listening. See you next time.